Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a little different than what I usually post. I did not think I wanted to record a video today, but I think this will help a lot of people. I know it would have helped me if I was watching this video while I was competing in a pageant. So today I will show you how do you pack for a pageant. Now you can see I have my all of the stuff on the bed and stuff like that. It's very messy, but I will like quickly show you how do you pack for a pageant and what all do you have to carry. So before I show you, there are some basic things that you need to have in mind. This might be specific to a pageant I'm going to, but I'm telling you like whatever pageant you're going to, the basic list could be the same, but at the same time you can have based on your itinerary, you can have different things to pack. Now for us, in this case, I haven't been given a very specific itinerary, so I'm packing stuff that I know I will need in the pageant, like dresses, shoes, heels, basic, makeup, hairstyling tools, skincare and sanitary stuff. So yeah, I will show you how and what I'm packing. ബേസിക്കലി നമുക്ക് ബേസിക്കായിട്ട് നമുക്ക് വേണ്ടത് ബോഡിക്കോൺ ഡ്രസ്സസ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അങ്ങനത്തെ ഒരു പാർട്ടി വെയർ ഡ്രസ്സസ് അങ്ങനത്തെയൊക്കെയാണ്. ബട്ട് ഐം ക്യാരിങ് എ സാരി ആൻഡ് എ ബ്ലൗസ് ജസ്റ്റ് ഇൻ കേസ് ഒരു ട്രഡീഷണൽ എത്നിക് വെയർ റൗണ്ട് ഉണ്ടെന്ന് പറയുകയാണെങ്കിലോ, ബിക്കോസ് ഇത് ഐറ്റനറി തരാത്തതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഞാൻ ക്യാരി ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഇൻ കേസ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഐറ്റനറി തന്നിട്ടുണ്ടെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ യു ഡോണ്ട് ഹാവ് ടു ക്യാരി, ബട്ട് ഇഫ് യു ഹാവ് സ്പേസ് ഐ വുഡ് ഓൾവേസ് റെക്കമെൻഡ് യു ടു ക്യാരി വൺ ട്രഡീഷണൽ എത്നിക് വെയർ because you never know. It's like the packing situation. I'll show you what all I have here. This is like my rehearsal or a sports bra and then a sports bra pants. This is basically outfits that I could use for rehearsals or like stuff that I can use miscellaneous kind of things. This is my sari and everything. Now this is my accessories box. Basically it has a lot of golden accessories and it has also like these stone ones. I'm just basically carrying all of that. This is my hair accessory box, so I have my hairspray, all the clips. I'll also keep my comb inside this. There is a curler and a straightener, and I will keep the comb inside this as well. Now these are all the dresses I'm carrying. So I'm basically carrying all the day clothes, like solid colors or like floral prints, like you see floral prints, solid colors and all of that, rompers, dresses, everything. This is all the night style clothes. You have velvet, satin, shimmer and sequin and all of that. This is like a blazer dress, an interview dress. This is like a white gown if I ever need a gown. Those are actually my night dresses. I'll show you closely. This is actually my night dresses. That's my bag of all the skincare as well as body wash, face wash, those things. This is actually all my innerwear. Here my heels will come, and the rest of the stuff I'll just keep it inside and show you. Shoe cover that you can get on Amazon or anything. This is where I'm going to probably be carrying a basic pair of chappal or a small block heel, or I can also carry my heels in this. So I'll see and figure out which one to keep. You're packing, carry a pair of nude heels and also black heels. This is just a reference I'm giving, but these are not the black heels I'm carrying, but nude and black. Golden and silver is also recommended, but depends on what your pageant is and what their requirement is. So if they actually tell you to carry all four colors, you should be carrying all four colors. I'll show you this bag closely. Now this differs from person to person. You might not be carrying everything that I'm going to be carrying, but you should be carrying basic stuff. So I have a lip scrub here, my moisturizer, sunscreen, a toner. This is like a body luminizer thing. This is a face wash. This is a makeup remover. I have a moisturizer, I have a body wash and cotton pads. The body wash has leaked inside a cover, but that's okay. Then I have my cotton pads and everything. Depends on what your skincare routine is, you should be carrying something like this. And if it's a clear pouch, it's always beneficial because you get to see what's inside and what's not there. Even though I packed a lot of these things, I could only use half of the stuff. Like the night clothes, I never used it because we would go for a session in the morning and would come back at night just to eat dinner and sleep. So I couldn't use a lot of these things. But I think it's always nice to carry stuff that you feel like might be required. Because, for example, I did carry those rehearsal outfits, which were like black, pants and the sports brand stuff, which I could actually use for my ramp walk sessions. And the gown that I carried or the glitter dress that I carried, I could use it for a photo shoot because it was like last minute things that they were telling us. Hope you liked this video. Subscribe to my channel for more such video and bye bye.